Diseases of attitude. There's a lot of things that can wreck your chances to do well. We live in a rather dangerous world, so you got to be not only wise, you got to be careful. Now, attitude diseases are just as bad as physical diseases, right? High blood pressure, heart trouble. I mean, a lot of things lace your chances to do well. So you've got to be careful. And attitude diseases are deadly. I mean, they'll destroy all the good things you start. Okay, so we'll go through those attitude diseases, how to spot them, how to look for them, what they are, and the cure. And I'm a pro on these because I've had them all, so I can give you excellent advice on this. Now, the last subject we're going to consider tonight is called the day that turns your life around. The day that turns your life around. And under this subject, we're going to talk about the emotions that can change your life. Human beings are emotional creatures, and emotions are powerful for life change. Now, of course, emotions are so powerful, they can go either way on you. Emotions can either build or destroy. So you really have to employ emotions properly. We call civilization the intelligent management of human emotions. If you can intelligently apply your emotions in the right direction, no telling what can happen. Could turn your life around one day would be sufficient. So we'll talk about those. Okay. Now that's a lot to cover in one evening, but we'll keep at it here and see if we can't get it all done. I'd like to have you now jot down the theme of the seminar. Every seminar should have a theme, I guess. We've got one. It's on some of our literature if you happen to notice it. But if you didn't, for your notes, here it is. The theme of the seminar goes like this. The major key to your better future is you. That's the theme of our seminar tonight. The major key to your better future is you. And I'd like to have you underline two words just to give it some added punch. Underline the word major and the word you, so that it reads, the major key to your better future is you. Now, my first suggestion is,
give me just a second here, guys.
To a card or something where you can put it up where you can see it every day. Preferably put it up where you can see it at the beginning of the day, before you go off to put the day together. This is a good phrase just to glance at, to keep in mind as you're putting the day together. It's called the silent seminar.
We'll hold up on Jim there. Hey, man, yes. What's going on? Gerald Peters here. You know what's up. We're having feed problems. They've stopped GameStop several times. I've been day trading GameStop today. I wasn't doing the TQ. I was trying to do both. I did both yesterday, pretty successful, but it went crazy, man. So I've made about, I don't know, $2,000 or $3,000 today. It's got to be close to that. You know what old Kenny Rogers says, right? Don't count your money while you're sitting at the table. And so the day's not over. I'm trying to let some people know I'm live. If you want to share it, that's cool. If not, don't worry about it. I do have a little money on the TQ too. I shouldn't have done that. It is hard to day trade both of them. I'm gonna be honest. If you're watching the candles, man, I got stuck in the damn. You like my new camera? I'm still playing with this thing. I gotta shut that door so you're not seeing the whole damn. Hopefully you can hear me just fine. Then I'm gonna read this. We got the TQQ at 67. Almost a perfect money flow pattern here, by the way. This is a 1 minute chart. I pretty much trade the same. And the reason I started doing this is just to speed it up. You know, it gets a little boring sometimes just talking about dividend stocks and shit. Especially if you're a trader like I am, degenerate. I used to tell people not to day trade because I've just seen so many people lose their ass. And sometimes you do. Let me get one more here. Now, the 5 minute. All right, so we got a breakout now. Are both of them running? Ooh, man, here we go. I got some money on both, baby. They're running together, as you can see. Let me make sure we're all on here. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Nick? Hey, Tim, I saw you took that on cart. I'm going to tell you, brother, that used to be a simple trading strategy of mine. You might fuck with it and make it your own. It was one of the things I would do when I was scanning charts. Depending on the stock too, but if it stopped on a perfect doji, man, I'd try to get in right at the close or in the after hours, and then I'd put a stop right below it. And then I would close it out the next day. I didn't try to ride it, but it was almost, I don't want to say every time, but it seems like every time they would pop up. Might be a little, might be a lot. I would just take the money and go. And sometimes I might get 2 or 3 of them in a day if you're hunting. So we got a crossover of the TSI. TSI is an indicator created by William Blue. If you Google the TSI, you can find the article. It was in Stocks and Commodities magazine. A lot of you probably don't know what that is. I actually went and bought back issues when I first got into trading. Whenever you get moves like this, you see how big these bars are compared to over here, how tight they were. What I do is just shrink my size a little. We don't want to lose money, right? So let's leave that on there. Why does it do that? Fucking. We need to get a money flow show on stock charts, man. They got some boring ass shows on there. All right, so we got GameStop back to, this thing has been fucking amazing, dude. It went from $32 to $42 while I was in the shower. I kid you not. I was in there like 40 minutes because it just wouldn't stop, man. And I didn't want to miss it. I didn't want to get out and mess it up. It just wouldn't stop, man. I didn't want to miss it. Even my neighbor, Anthony, came over. He was like, "Are you seeing this?" Knocked on my door. That's always fun. Yeah. I need to turn the camera a little, huh? Yeah, we're going to get into it here, man. I'm going to post a video today with our friend from Discord, Jess, helping me out. We were talking stocks, and you guys can let me know what you think of that. Where's this at? I was looking at. Oh, I know now. Sorry. Shit, I might add to this one. So GameStop right now, I'm just day trading it. There's my anchor point. Look at this. It went up. I hit the R side, taking the trade down. I go to get out. It goes up. I'm back in, take the trade down, I just kept doing that the whole way. I should have went big, man. And then I chickened out. Like I just kept doing my standard. Like a little, man, I'm kind of mad at myself. I'm gonna be honest. I feel like I had a chance there, and then you don't expect it to just keep going now for $10, man. Let me mess with this thing here. Come on, man. Oh, check this out. Will it show? No, the lighting is too bad. That's the MACD indicator back there. So all I put on that camera right there, we'll back it up, is the MACD. I got to get it where I can control over here, but I like this with a little more control, man. It's kind of cool. You got to try to hide it though. All right, so we're on the run here. What's up? Let's get back to the chart. So GameStop's on the run. I bet I've had to have made at least $2,000 a day on this thing. I don't know, maybe not quite that much, but it's got to be close. I stopped trading the TQ to trade it, because it was just moving so much faster, and I couldn't keep an eye on it. But it was doing like perfect money flow waves, man. Right now, the 5-minute histogram though is in our favor. If you were in that seminar, I did that seminar. Man, there was so much stuff I forgot too. Time goes so fast. I really need like 12 fucking hours to explain the way I trade. It's not that I'm some genius. It's just, there's just shit to it, man. There's things I didn't even get into. How long can you go though? I could go all day, but oh. All right, there we go. My wife got me this new charger. We were talking about essential principles. Was ride the winner, let profits run. This is exactly what happened today. It was profitable earlier too, but from here on, this whole time frame, this thing just went straight up. It was fucking amazing. I don't often catch them like that. You know, you get a $1 run, you're like excited. That was $10 fucking dollars, dude. $10 run in what, a couple hours? Damn. I should have went huge. Man, oh man. I'm kind of mad at myself. If somebody would have had, oh man, if somebody would have had, I know I'm gonna try to cover that dude on my YouTube with him on YouTube. Fuck YouTube, man. That's what I'm gonna try to do. They always, you know, I'm not monetized on YouTube, guys. That way I don't have to put up with their bullshit rules. They run the commercials, they keep the money, man. If you know, if a guy wants to help me, he just buys the book. And then the course. If you haven't checked out the newsletter, it's gotten a lot better. I got two researchers helping me now. What's up, Lisa? I'm sorry, I'm not even on the damn stock. Hold on, man. That's old age right there. Oh, hell. So we could add to it. We're at $39.24. GameStop was, I actually sold some at, I don't want to lie. Let me see. Dude, I was pegging the highs because I kept thinking they would end. Let's see the last one I sold. No, it looks like 43.65 was my highest. So I missed the top by $1. Oh well. I'm a loser. All right. I'm not gonna take any losses on this though. If this motherfucker turns around, we're gonna get out. I'm pretty sure. Let me try something here. Oh, shit went flat. See if that, I don't know if that'd be clickable for you guys. If it is, see if it is. And if you have stock charts, you can follow along with that. And I've traded all day, and I don't know. I've had a few people keep up with it. It doesn't seem to always work. All right, so we got our breakout right here. Now, let me ask you, would you rather add to the trade up here on strength, or would you rather add to it as it comes into here? I like cheaper, man, and I know that goes against the grain for a lot of people. All right, this trade is coming down. I don't want to lose any money. I actually don't have very many shares on this. I've got more on GameStop, and I don't want this fucker to. Oh hell! Just give me. I'm trying to see how. Okay, down $14, man. That's not cool. We got in right as it was happening. So here's my anchor. I don't want to take a loss on this, so we'll see. Such a nice look. It's coming back already. I'm going to add to it another 100 shares, just in case. Come on, baby. I'm going to add another one. Now I got too many shares. I'm going to be honest. Some days you just take too many shares. You know what I mean? So here we go. If we break out and run to that 43, this would be amazing. I mean, it was great. The money flow trading system is Fractal. A fractal is a never-ending pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales. They are created by repeating a simple process over and over again. Anchor, stage one, breakout, target, over and over again. Okay? What's going on, man? Hey, Tim. We need to have a doji patrol. Look at this one. I'm telling you, I used to trade the shit out of these. I don't remember why I stopped. Well, I started working on properties and stuff. But if I got one of these, I would just like put a stop. I'd buy into the close, and then I would just, it would usually pop. See it pop, and then I'd close it. Like these were just like, I called them popcorn trades. And you could say, well, I'll hold it. Yeah, you could. That's just not what I was doing. I mean, that was literally the strategy. Super simple. And I'd get 2, 3 a day some days. I just keep clicking because they halted trading it. Driven by recursion, fractals are images of dynamic systems, the pictures of chaos. Geometrically, they exist between our familiar dimensions. Fractals are pictures of chaos. Fractal patterns are extremely familiar since nature is full of them. Nature's full of something. I've been training someone to trade with me so that I could, they could take the trades as I'm talking and we could trade off and then talk. It's difficult to live trade and watch these charts because I don't want my actual fucking account or fame trade. And, you know, whatever, we can switch to paper trade. The trading is the trading, you know. You don't need money to trade. You need money to make money trading. That makes sense? I mean, you can practice trade, but these are real trades. I'm up $300. Is that right? $300? Wow. This thing is moving so fast, guys. How am I up $300? Cost basis is $39.17. Okay. Yeah. How many shares? So we got a 400. I mean, I'll be honest, I haven't been trading this by the rules, but I have been trading the pattern, if that makes sense. Look at this histogram. We got the crossover. We're talking about that. This is by William Blue. I don't know if they have that on TradeStation or not. I'm going to be honest. But I've been lately doing a lot of training, trying to show people the concept of the money flow. And one thing that I didn't go over when we did our webinar on Saturday, if you were there, one thing that I didn't go over, and we're going to start doing one for the money flow. Not like that. Those are, what's up? What's up, man? What's up? What's up, Jessica? With your new fancy teeth. Man, you should have got a gold grill, bro. You should have done it, man. Oh, hold on. I always wanted to get one. Or silver. Get silver. Yeah. Goddamn, I shouldn't be a wimp, right? I should just let this shit roll. Man, it's moving so fast, guys. If you got a chunk of shares, I mean, it's a lot of money. I think I'm up $3,000 today. I could have been up $100,000. The problem is it comes down fast. I don't know if you guys have been trading it today. Shit comes down fast, dude. And you'll be like, fuck, I should have. So we're our size here. Sorry, I keep hitting the screen. Bam. I didn't sell half. I just sold one because I watched it go $10 fucking earlier. So I can't just sell again. And I was so pissed that I didn't have more shares. You know, I scaled out only to watch it just fly. All right. I shouldn't be in this TQ, but I am. You see the money flow pattern, stage one, price breaks out above the 20-day simple moving average, that green line. That tells us the average price of the last 20 days. But let's get back. Look at this. Look at this. This thing has just been giving away money all day. It's crazy, man. Yeah, I'm going to sell a little. Let's just take that money home. Give me the chips, man. I hope you, I posted in Discord that I was trading this today. I tried to trade them both for a while, and I just couldn't. It was just moving too fast, man. And then they halted it. And I spent 45 minutes in the shower trying to trade it. I couldn't leave. I looked away. It was moving too fast. You'd miss it. You'd miss, and it was hundreds of dollars, like as fast as it was moving. It was very exciting. That's the most excited I've been, I think, maybe most excited in a long time. Even the puppy bowl. I mean, this was better than that. I do like the puppy bowl though.
Train bound from nowhere.
All right, we got a chance to add here. Are you going to add into strength? Or are you going to add on weakness? You can add here, or we could add down into here. Now, I'm a down into here guy. And that's opposite of what a lot of other people say. Did they shut this thing down again? Is it moving? This motherfucker. Did they stop trading? Come on, man. All right, we're back. Why do they keep stopping this? They're trying to let people out. See, I couldn't even add the fucking shares. Still gonna add. Fuck them. I'm buying more. Dude, come on. Every gambler knows the secret to surviving. Knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. All right, we're gonna keep this one. And every trade's a loser. All right, man. I got way too many shares right now. And managing risk. Like right now, I'm managing risk. And so I don't have any other things going but this as far as trading. And we took some off here, but I just put it back on. And I was doing that earlier, and it was just literally, it was amazing. I mean, it was one of the best runs I've seen in a long, long, long time. Let me pull that down. So what's going on, man? Who's on here? TQQ headed back up. Yeah. Thank you, Just. I forgot I got a damn trade on. I didn't mean to trade both, but when I came on here, they had halted GameStop. So then I was like, fuck. So I got into TQ, and then they both took off. Now I'm having to watch both, and they're moving too fast today, man. I mean, I got other monitors where I can watch them, but it is moving too. Yeah, I'm probably going to take this. TQ's pissing me off today. So again, our money flow pattern, stage 4 fell into stage 1. There's a doji, by the way. I'm gonna talk about a few of the other candles, or I use bars, you know that. But my actual trade execution, I use candles. I know that's weird, huh? So up 300, is that $400? See, and I didn't mean to have all this weight that I have on TQQ. We're going to shut that shit down. Sorry, guys. All right, 67.14. And I'm at, Jesus, we're back to $40. So that buy that I bought was at 38. Now it's at 40.30. Jesus. So I started there with like 700 shares. And then I dropped them down, and now I'm back to 400. I thought I had 500, but I accidentally hit the TQ. This motherfucker. So, I don't know, man. I think you might could buy more right here. This thing is just momentum. Look, let's take this down. This is that wind up. If you go look at Bitcoin, some people call them pennants and shit. Look, it's breaking to the upside. God damn it. Oh, I'm out of fucking money. I am out of money. I've used all my E-Trade margin on this. Now, if you look over here, this is a 5-minute MACD. I watched that during the thing. If you were in the webinar this weekend, we talked about these essential principles is ride the winner. That's what we're doing here. Ride it, baby, ride it. And but we also got to make sure we don't get too wild, and we need to lock in gains. You know, if you're being given money, you probably should take it. So we'll give that a second. TQ's coming back. Dude, I know, man. I'm sorry. We're back, man. It can listen like it's radio, man. First time caller, or what is it? How do they used to say that? All right, so the 5-minute MACD is now moving against us, okay? Hey, you fuckers can come on and live trade and talk and teach and run the YouTube and the cameras and the sound. You guys are more than welcome. It takes a lot of practice, man. That's why I am a bad motherfucker. Should be up now. First time caller, long time listener. That was it. Gang, gang. Game is zipping across the chart. All right, MACD's in our favor. TQQ's got to be moving up. All right, I'm going to put this pad here on the E-Trade. Oh, my God, dude. This is my biggest trading day of the year. I didn't trim through there. And it's 600 shares, it looks like, total. Hold on, I got to pull up the TQ over here. It's breaking out too. This is probably my biggest trading day of the year. The last one, I was in the hole starting out, and all that big day did was get me the fuck out of the hole. So it didn't help a lot. Shit, I got to take down some shares if this thing comes down. All right, so I'm up pretty good, man. And what time is it? Shit. All right, we got to stay with this, right? Money flow rules apply. But I do have a lot. I'm up pretty nice. That's my problem, because I bought too many shares. But that's kind of what we're talking about. Ride the winner. So, you know, if you see it, you feel it, you stay with it, man. Cut losers. Just cut them. Move on. You know, same with friends. If you got a friend that's a loser, let's see. Maybe they listen to weird music. We talked about using stops. I don't use hard stops. I use soft ones, soft, squishy ones, soft, squishy, fat stops. But I actually don't put them in. You know, I'm here. I watch it. Not to say sometimes I don't, but usually I just stop trading if I got to go somewhere. Since I trade all the time, it's like, and then I trade other things at night, or I'm watching things. So it's not like I'm not going to, you know. And then I have plenty of swing trades and shit like that. All right, so this, you see how we broke out? I'm leaving this on here. If you want to follow this when I get off here, we're about to break out. Yeah, Coin continues to print money. That one too, man. If you have stock charts, I think that'll be clickable for you. And I think scan the QR code above to subscribe to the Peters Report for daily updates. I need to make that a surprise thing, huh? And it's something else. It's big beefcake woman. All right, we got a lot of shares right here. Shit. I didn't trim them fast enough. Damn. Oh, no, we're still back up. All right, man. You see how, though, that slight delay, you know, if you're trading 1,000 shares, dude, That slight delay, I mean, that's money. That's like $50, $100. We'll do that 12 times. Like say you sell here instead of here, do that 10, 15 times. That's a lot of money, man. Can't be fucking around. But it's easy to do. All right, so it looks like we got to move this now. It just keeps happening. We'll check Bitcoin. Bitcoin was doing the same thing. Some people call that a pennant. In money flow language, that's a fucking stage 2. It still needs to go. You say, I mean, I don't call it a completed stage until the standard RSI hits, and it didn't. So this is stage 1. It broke out. It ran for a minute. But if you look, I mean, it stopped here before, right? Pretty close. Depending on where you do it. Right? Close. But we want this. This is my target up here in this 43 range. I think this camera makes me look fat. I don't feel that fat. Kind of ripped in my head, though. I feel ripped, but I'm not. But I feel like I am. I feel like I get all the effects of being it without actually being it. Let's take that down. It's quite annoying. You guys know what I mean? Ride the winner. Does the stock chart give you real-time data instead of 15-second delay? No. It comes with 15-second delay. But I mean, you're probably not a good trader, so like it might. But I watch it, but I execute my trades on a pad on E-Trade, and it's in real time. So this is moving. That just moves. But since we had day traders before we had this stuff, you'll be all right, man. Don't be a little. But you could go to a trade view. But I use stock charts, and I've day traded for many years, and then I execute on the E-Trade platform using pads. That way I can move around and shit. Getting ready to take some down here. I feel like we gave up some money on this GameStop, man. I feel like I should have took more down. I fucked up. Maybe not. Maybe it runs. I'm still sitting on 500 shares. We could add, right? So we're in the QQQ. And like my man said, I'm watching it here. It's moving, but it's tiny, dude. Unless that fucker really runs. But most of your brokers will have, so this is a 1-minute chart, right? But I always check the 5-minute to see where's the MACD histogram, which is what I have over here. We'll pull it up here. Down here, this. Whichever direction this is sloping, that's the direction I tend to try to trade from. Do I violate it from time to time? Sure. But that's the general concept. You could use a different thing. It's just time continuity. You want to make sure your time frames are lining up. But you see the pattern here, right? And so on this one, this is what I'm playing for. Boom. Come on, Jesus. Take the wheel. Jesus, take the wheel. Jesus. Here we go. You should have, Jess, I think you can come on through your phone here. Your teeth are all fucked up. GP making them gains. Yeah, today's been one of my best trading. I think it's the best trading day ever. I'm the best trader there is. Talk as if and walk as if. There you go, bro. I like that. He's like, fuck you. I'm a great trader. You can pay for real-time data with 5-second refresh. That must be what I have, or is there one up now? Shit, I haven't even checked. All right, it's good to see. What did he say? CVS and Nike looking good. So that's nice, right? That's nice. I should have closed this down. If I was smart, that's what I would have done. That's nice, right? Send me the link. I don't think it's a link. Let me see. Invite. I sent that to you, just if you want to, you can. If not, it's cool. Show us the new silver grill. I'm flipping back and forth, guys. I didn't mean to have both of these on. It's kind of hard to J-trade both, but I use other monitors. So I'm always watching the 5-minute histogram if I'm day trading. I'll do it every day, man. But yesterday was like today. It's got to be, man. I haven't checked. I don't want to jinx it. I'm looking. This is my target area right up in here. This blue line is where we opened, okay? So we're drifting back into that. And then I take the trades on the E-Trade Power platform. That's how I usually. And for swing trades, this is fine. Like, you don't need no fucking direct access to anything. Oh, we got a breakout coming. Man, I'm sure happy about that because I had too many shares on that bitch. Uh-oh.
Oh.
What are you doing, driving?
Yeah.
Oh, is she not getting it?
I just got out of the fucking dentist.
Your phone plugged in, do you?
Yeah.
can't hear
I'm
you.
using my phone. Oh, fuck.
Oh, she's driving. I can't hear you, Jess. Yeah, she has no sound, man. That sucks. I think you have your phone plugged into your car. If you do, you have to unplug it. Can't have your phone plugged in. I don't know if you guys know that. Okay, here we go. TQ just broke out, man. What the fuck? I'm sorry, I'm moving that around so much. There we go. So I'm going to trim this down. Which is kind of good. I didn't like having... All right, see, we're right here on the edge of this, man. You see this? Let's update this. You see it's doing this exact same thing, man. Look, we're just moving down the street here. It's the same fucking pattern. It just keeps moving. So then me personally, I'm going to move the anchor point to here. So if I was in a trade, I would move my stop somewhere around there. Soft stop, not a hard stop. I don't like the hard stops, man. Yeah, we're going to have to bail. Come on, man. Oh, that sucks. We'll see, man. You're muted. Did you get it figured out? You have to unmute yourself, man. You have to unmute yourself. Let's get back to it. Yeah, we're coming back. Thank God. The TQ is running. Let's watch that for a second. So remember, this box was my target area. I'm going to trim a little more here. Yeah, I guess I didn't know they had that 6-second, dude. I'm going to have to get that. Normally, even the 50-second, though, it would go faster. And it wasn't too long ago. Damn. This is running, man. All right, so that one's good and green. I'll just watch that and keep an eye on that 5-minute, man. Keep an eye on the 5 minute, which is this right here. Okay. Keep an eye on it. In case the trend direction changes. All right, let's just watch this for a minute. Come on, man. I'm gonna add shares. I should got since I trimmed the other, I think I can add shares, and I did. You haven't seen that, man? It's a bunch of badass metal guitarists that get together and they figure that out. It's on YouTube. I have way too many shares. What time is it? 1:56. It's at 50.62. God damn it. See, and my cost basis is not much lower than this now. What in the fuck, dude? How did I get it so high? I guess right in here. Okay, that's where the break was. So that's where I put these shares on. So it looks like I added some here and then like in here. So I didn't get a good fill. I didn't get a good fill there. Bam! There we go. Wow. I sold a couple hundred shares here. It's a little behind, but it popped to, what is it? 41.42. So I sold some shares just because it was too much weight, man. I was scared. Like a little bitch. Let's see. No, I keep being, but fuck it. We'll put them back on. I don't give a fuck. That's what we'll do. We'll just play like that. Damn it. What is the fuck? I'm getting excited now. So the TQQ just put in a doge. But is it at an extreme? You know, if you took the webinar with me, I talked about if they're not really at an extreme, I wouldn't even worry about that one. We'll see what happens, but I wouldn't worry about that one. I'm going to go ahead and take that down some. I really want to get out of this TQ, but it's moving up because I wanted to watch this here and not fuck up the exit or entry. Let's see. So I'm down to only 400 shares. And this little pullback. Oh, shit. Sorry. This little pullback here. I mean, all day you could add to it. So it's moving slow too, man. I'm sorry. It's not moving as fast as this is over here, but the stock is moving fast. So I got these two candles. If one jumps above it, I'm going to put on another 400 shares. If the third candle here breaks above that second one. Come on, man. I don't even think it's doing 15 seconds today. Yep. I bought them. So it's breaking now. Come on, baby. This motherfucker. I should have put the E-Trade one up here. I'm going to do that tomorrow because normally this isn't that slow. Can you hear? See, can you hear us?
Can you hear me?
Hold
yeah.
up. Now you interrupt my song.
Can you hear me?
I hear you now. That was my dude. What in the fuck? I don't have my speakers weren't on. Jesus Christ. That's how distracted I am. Can you hear me? She can't hear me. You can't hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Well, speak up.
I can hear you.
Okay. Who's in the car with you?
Bro, I've been saying I could hear you for like the past. My wife.
You just picking up anybody? You just picking up girls on the side of the road or what?
Yeah, I found her. I found a Puerto Rican on the side of the road.
Yeah, I was driving by and I saw I got myself a gringa
Hey,
who's doing trades.
this stock is going crazy, man. I wrote it for $10 in the shower.
That's crazy. This must have been an epic
Yeah.
shower.
I couldn't leave. It was moving that fast. Like I was afraid to. But
Sit down.
but here's the thing. I wasn't playing it that big because I was playing the TQQ as well. And finally, I stopped the one.
You're
And
rotating your day trades.
I had to. This thing was just moving it too easy. It's just giving away money. Yesterday I made like 2,000 on it. Or
How much today?
Oh, it's got to be more than that. I haven't looked yet.
What's your floor at today?
This got to be my biggest day right today for the year. I mean, just overall. I mean, it was easy.
Let's go, Daddy.
I know. That's what I'm thinking. I'm going on vacation, man. Fuck this work.
Yeah, you're coming to Miami tonight.
Private jet.
I'll put you in a flight. Come on.
Yeah, it's still going. So we'll see. Do you guys have anything good? Anything that worth sharing? Nothing.
I saw Nike and CVS and Cart breaking out. Roku's is still a good stage one buy. SoFi.
SoFi. Yeah, Adobe's on the move. I'm up a little. What'd you say? CVS? Yeah, that's already
Nike, SoFi. Yeah, those broke out, but still buy zones. Roku and SoFi. Reddit looks like it's breaking out again.
Look at that doji right there. Damn. Yeah, Reddit. Boy, we played that so well. I mean, those IPOs are so easy. You just let it crash. What is this? What is Reddit's?
RDDT.
Yeah, see, goddamn. Wow. And we bought the bottom on this. Man. The absolute bottom, too. But my strategy for playing those works perfect, right?
Yeah.
You just let them IPO, let them crash, and then you just pick up the bottom. I mean, did it with Uber, did it with car. I mean, I've done it with like almost every stock that comes out. Look at this motherfucker, 8%. Yeah,
that shit looks awesome today.
I'm having a big day today. I'm gonna be honest. Like,
yeah, today's bigger than yesterday for sure.
Yeah, I feel a little guilty. I'm gonna be honest. Like, there's people that don't have
taking
things.
Candy from babies.
Yes, I feel guilty. Not that guilty, but guilty. I'm gonna trim some while we're here. I might be over here talking shit and not trim it. Oh my God, this thing's at $42 now. Look at this. Jesus.
Wow.
Come on, what is
Where you
going
taking
on?
me to eat?
GameStop.
40. Look, I bought it at 32 this morning. $10 run, dude.
That's crazy.
I could have hit the button and just bought like 100,000, and I didn't. So clicking the button, that's all I had to do.
Yeah. So all you had to do was press the button.
Press the button. I could have just went bigger than normal
Took me out of here.
and just made a fuck ton of money. I still did well, so, but it's not what I would call a fuck ton. I feel like a fuck ton's a lot. Let's see.
It's a little less than check.
And I couldn't tell like I'm getting in, getting out. It was just going too fast. That's why I needed someone here trading with me, but my trainee is not here.
She's still sick?
No, not sick, but having other obligations to finish up. She'll probably wash this, and then she should feel guilty. Let's see. If she'd have been here,
She
we could have
probably
made a
will.
lot. We probably, yeah, because she probably would have said, "Hey, yeah, go big," and then I would have been like, "Oh, well, you challenging me? I guess I'll have to." Intel looks like a good setup here. They said we got 70 people on here for during the day. That's cool. Did you see my new camera?
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put our video up today.
I'm so gonna get friendly.
I'm gonna use this for my OnlyFans. Let's see. Oh, there's Clarity. Clarity's on here. We have a celebrity trader in the house from New York, comedian. Oh, we're now at 42. This is incredible, dude. It won't stop going up. 42.50. They're gonna stop the damn stock again. So yeah, that's $1,000 since we've been on here.
Damn, you're rich.
I'm rich.
You're rich.
Or you're taking me out to eat.
Right. Trying to get. Oh, I need to get a shirt.
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Getting rich,
calling my
bitch. McDonald's. Hey, yeah, I'll Uber you guys some McDonald's with my winnings. Well, whichever one has 2 for 1. Let's don't get carried away. Oh, all right. Clarity's been reading our newsletter. Hey, if you're not reading the newsletter, you should read the newsletter. If you hit that QR code up there, you can subscribe. Jess works with me on it, and we keep you up to date on these stocks. I feel like I told people I was playing this. I put it in my thing yesterday, didn't I? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, it's still going up, man. They're going to stop it because little people aren't allowed to make money like this. There's hedge funds.
How do they just stop it?
Yeah, hedge funds are on the phone right now. They're short, and they're like, "Stop it!" I'm gonna be honest. This is the easiest I've ever traded and made. I don't know. I shouldn't say that. There's probably been an easier one, but I don't. This is like it's like a slot machine and just keeps giving you quarters.
Damn.
Yeah, $1,100
It's like
right now.
yesterday on steroids.
Yeah, and you're getting your teeth cleaned.
Yep.
Yeah.
I gotta look good for my next visit to the Money Flow headquarters.
Right. Or on video.
Exactly.
Let's see.
I took measurements for my new grill.
I was gonna say you should have got like a silver one.
Yeah, I'm trying to get like a diamond or something in one of my teeth.
What was the rapper? He put a diamond in his forehead and he got robbed.
On his
Yeah, it was like $1 million jewel. He put it in his forehead. Didn't occur to him people might want to rip it out.
Jesus, I bet he got a big hole in his skull. Right?
Yeah, and that was like his signing bonus, and he took the whole thing and made a jewel and stuck it in his head. That's some. So the SQ. Let's look at the other one. You said CVS. So what's up with oil? It's trying
Still
to
below
come back.
the 200.
Right. So what would you call this? So we have an anchor point, right?
Yeah.
And we only have 3 bars, and they're below the 5.
Yeah, it's still stage 4, trying to build a possible stage 1.
Yeah, that's what that is. There's support right here, though. If you go all the way across.
Yeah, technically.
Systematic. as a systematic money gatherer right here, Jesus, dude, it keeps going up. Dude, it just goes up. Right now, I'm just going to buy more shares. Like, this is what I was doing earlier. Just fuck it. It was on a 90 RSI, and I was buying shares. Because it wouldn't stop going. This is like algorithms are on this now. Look, it's a new breakout.
That's fucking crazy.
I just need one red candle so I can add to this. Right here, we're getting it now. Oh, Nike. Let's check Nike. I actually feel bad. I know people that have problems, and money's just flowing in. The Nike.
Yeah, AI too has been good. Apple.
Yeah, I feel like we've done really well. Except for the people that are not trading because they're getting their teeth cleaned and shit. The AI, yeah, we've done well. We trimmed this one, but we tagged it perfect, man. God damn, look how easy this is. Look at this easy chart. Doji, we had a whole thing on that at the webinar. Runs up, boom, pulls back. I mean, this is just easy. This is easy. Not as easy as GameStop. I would buy shares right here, man. Fuck it. 90 RSI. I just bought more.
Yeah, you're going wild today.
Yeah, I'll just sell it off if it turns on me. Yeah, so now I'm back to 600 shares. It don't even matter. You buy on a 90 RSI breakout. I mean, an 83 RSI break. I've never heard of such a thing. It just keeps going. So if you back this up, watch this. I'm going to take it to a 5-minute. Look, it was 25 over here when we were trading it. It's gone from 25 in 2 days to 43.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Almost a double.
Yeah, I wrote every one of these. I mean, that's 2 days. It's all I've been doing is staring at this. And Anthony came over to try to, came over to tell me that they had stopped trading. I'm like, yeah, I know. But he was watching it. He's been learning some charts, man.
That's hilarious. Good for Anthony.
Right. So he's going to know more than Kat because he's next to me.
Babe, Gerald said Anthony's going to know more about charts because he's next to you. Yeah. I mean, I show her charts. She knows more than Anthony. I know.
I'll train him, you train her, and then they can have a trade-off. How about that?
That sounds great.
$1,000. You can't do that?
Yeah. I've showed her the 5-minute versus the 1 minute.
Oh, you're saying she's ready right now? I feel like that can't be true.
Nah, she's not.
No, I was gonna say she's that ready. I'll challenge her. So
nah.
Watch this, dude. I just went all in on the 85 RSI breakout. Now it just keeps going, dude. I mean, fuck any system. You just keep buying this.
Yeah, you're not following the rules right now.
No, I'm up $2,800 right now. I mean, I should sell it. Why? It keeps going up. It's got.
You gotta let your winners run.
Yeah, literally. Essential principles. That was number 1 on the webinar, and here it is happening. And this time I wasn't all fucked up like last time. I mean, I got to sell some here, right? No, look. It just keeps going, dude. This is crazy. Wow. I don't know. I don't know that I've ever been this excited. I'm going to be honest. Like, this is bigger than Iraq when I went in on this. Yeah.
Bigger than when you got the medal?
Oof. You just don't get stocks that just run from 25 to 44 and just keep going. Like, it is still going. It's fixing to hit 45. Who in the fuck is buying? I gotta sell. Okay, I'm gonna sell a little.
It's still going. It's still going.
Yeah, I gotta sell some. This is just like somebody's gonna ring the register. All right, I sold 500 shares, and I'm gonna get ready to put them back on.
All right, there you go. You got your red bar. So good thing you fucking took some profits.
I'll let you go, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you about the Anthony's now learning to trade. I don't know why. He's probably watching this, or maybe not.
Maybe he's like, fuck, Ashley's not gonna do it or something, so he thinks he has to do it.
Yeah, he's gonna try to challenge. Oh, that'd be good.
I mean, maybe he just wants to learn. Maybe
separately. I'll teach them separately, and then they go head to head.
Yeah. They don't even realize what they haven't, how lucky they are.
Yeah, we have to. We need to do that as a contest, maybe. The professor gets some, and I get some.
Yeah, I'll train.
Right.
I'll take on that.
Yeah, and we'll train people.
Me and her will kill you guys.
Who?
Me and D.
Oh, she doesn't know how to trade at all.
I'm training D.
Oh, you're going to train her? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably good she doesn't, because then she'd see my account, see dumb shit I do. All right, man. I'll let you go. I'm gonna keep this going.
All right.
I'm waiting for a turn. If this thing goes black again, I'm gonna get back on it, man. I have to. I'm gonna leave it going. I'm gonna just turn on some Jim Rohn and just watch this. Oh, I'm back in. Wait, you be good.
You too. Thanks, GP.
Yep. Hey guys, that was Jess. Jess helps me with the Peter's report and keeping everything running smoothly. I mean, like, yeah. So I'm back in full load here, man. And I'm out of the queues. I forgot all about that trade. Fuck that trade. I'm just watching this. There's no reason to get back into the queues here. Not right now. Yeah, we're already up $200. So I don't know, man. This thing is just literally printing money. It's incredible. Absolutely fucking incredible. Uh-oh. E-Trade won't give me any more money. All right, I cut this thing in half real quick. I'm going to let Jim Rohn talk, and I'm going to watch this trade for a minute. Oh, we'll let the sun play.
Here come Fractal, come moving up slowly. You got to chew all you want. Holy roller, you got hands down to help me. You be a joker, he just do what he please.
He got no shoe shot. He got all he got. Get finger, he shoot. He said,
I know you love me.
one thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together. Right
Over me.
You need to wake up right now and recognize who you truly are. Look inside yourself and tap into that burning desire. start on this journey in the first place. Too many people lose sight of their why and get caught up in the distractions of daily life. But not you. You were meant for more. You cannot let temporary setbacks and failures shake your resolve. So you slipped up and fell down? Big deal. That's all part of the climb. The path to success is not a smooth highway. It's a rugged mountain trail full of obstacles and challenges. You're going to get bruised. You are going to get winded. You are going to want to quit sometimes, but you cannot let that self-doubt and negativity creep in. You have to develop the grit and tenacity to push through the pain. Grit means hurting so bad, being so exhausted and tested, but still knowing you have a job to do, so you keep climbing. Pain is not a stop sign. It's a reminder that you are making progress out of your comfort zone. Lean into that discomfort. That's where the growth happens. I'm not talking to the complainers and excuse makers here. I'm talking to the person who understands that worthwhile things require real work and sacrifice. You do not get to the summit by taking the easy path of least resistance.
Back into the TQ2.
You get there through sheer force of will and perseverance. So get up off the ground right now. Shake off that self-pity and negative self-talk bringing you down. Do not you dare quit on yourself. Look at how far you've already come. All those hours of work, all those early mornings, eh? All those late nights? Are you really going to let that all go to waste? I did not think so. You have too much invested to turn back now. This is a make or break moment. You either recommit and keep pushing with consistent discipline towards your dreams, or you let the distractions win. You settle for mediocrity and a life of regret, always wondering what if. Well, I will tell you what if. A wasted life. That's what. Do not end up being one of those sad people on their deathbed saying, I shoulda, coulda, woulda. Do not carry those regrets to your grave. Empty that bucket list. Live life to the fullest in pursuit of your true purpose. But it's going to take laser focus. You cannot be distracted by shiny objects and other people's expectations. When you are climbing a mountain, you do not keep looking over at the other climbers. You keep your eyes faced forward, locked in on the peak you are ascending, one foot in front of the other, making steady progress. Those other people, they're on a different journey with different goals. Sure, you can be inspired by their work ethic and results, but you cannot be obsessed with their path because it will throw you off course. You've got to run your own race. And do not make the mistake of judging your own progress based on their timeline. We all face unique storms and setbacks that shape our journey. The only person you should be comparing yourself to is the person you were yesterday. As long as you are making forward progress and becoming a better version of yourself each day, that's what matters most. Now, I'm not saying to be delusionally overconfident and ignore wise counsel from mentors. By all means, learn from those who have walked the path before you. Glean wisdom from their failures and harsh lessons so you can avoid some of those unnecessary setbacks. Having a guide can make the climb more efficient. But you also cannot be so distracted by other people's maps that you lose sight of your own desired destination. At the end of the day, you have to take full ownership and responsibility for your life's journey. No one's going to want your success and dream more than you do. So stay hungry. Have that energy and urgency of someone who wants it more than anyone else. Outwork your competition through your attitude of determination. Treat every morning like it's a gift, not something you're entitled to. Those who lack this hunger will inevitably stray off course. Yeah, I get it. Life can be exhausting with all its responsibilities and challenges. The grind never stops. You've got bills, relationship issues, health problems, and general mayhem constantly vying for your attention and drowning out your deepest dreams. But you cannot use that as an excuse to be distracted and lose focus on your vision. Building the life you want to live requires radical prioritization. You have to become a master of saying no to the non-essentials so you can go all in on your highest goals and priorities.
Wow.
Think about the most successful people you know.
Wow.
I guarantee you they did not reach their level of success through aimless wandering and letting life's pop-up distractions constantly derail them. They had a clear vision for what they wanted and relentlessly executed against it day after day, week after week, year after year. Life never gets easier or lets up. You just get better at blocking out the noise and minimizing those energy leaks. The most prolific artists and entrepreneurs and leaders are incredibly skilled at creating boundaries and systems to maximize focus on their craft. That means pruning energy draining relationships, technologies, and habits that do not serve your highest goals. Build a lifestyle of discipline that acts like a filter, only letting the most essential tasks and people through. Everything else gets a firm no thank you. Will this ruffle some feathers and make you unpopular with certain folks? You bet. But who cares? Those are not the people you were put on this earth to please anyway. You do not want to reach the end of your life, only to realize you spent it all satisfying others, while your own dreams gathered dust. I'm giving you permission right now to unapologetically put your vision and growth first. Make that your life's non-negotiable. Everything else is just noise. Become a bit selfish, if you will, so you have the energy and resources required to sell. Of course, this does not give you license to be an inconsiderate jerk to others, but it does mean getting very intentional about how you invest your time, talents, and earnings so you stay on track.
Wow. Holy fuck, dude. Wow. Man, oh man, God bless. Texting friends. Holy shit, dude. Fuck, dude. Fuck it. Just buy more shares. Come on, man. Are we serious right now? I'm all in. E-Trade would have given me 100,000 or so, I guess. Fuck it. Come on, man. Give me some more money. Hey, loan me some money, E-Trade. Fuck, bro. I got almost $1 million in there, you think, but I'm trading this out of one account. Jesus fuck, dude. Wow. 47.73. 40. Now E-Trade's not. Dude, Jesus fuck, dude. I can't keep saying wow. I sound stupid. Jesus fuck, dude. I mean, why am I selling? I don't know. Like, I feel like I have to. Man. Fuck, TQ's breaking out too, man. Let's get in on that. Fuck. Fuck, I'm out of money. I just trimmed some. That's why I was trimming. I mean, it's the only way I can get money. I mean, okay, fuck it. Let's buy some more TQ. Trim one, buy the other. That's all I know to do. Hey, this is how Chris Johnson got his Lambo, wasn't it? Come on, man. It's breaking out. GameStop's at $46.93. This is incredible. Dude, I don't even want to look. If I look right now, it's gonna fuck me up. I don't want to look. It's because it's not as much as it could have been. I mean, come on, look at this. This is absolutely fucking incredible. I mean, I keep saying the same thing, but I don't know that I mean, I'm sure I have. I just not in a while. Dude, it won't go down. It's coming back. I'm feeling like E-Trade is going to say, hey, give that money back, dude. Well, fuck, now that the TQ is breaking out. I don't even know if I can do this. Like, come on, man. All right, we got TQ there. We're going to leave GameStop here. And I got GameStop here. And we're taking the trade here. I mean, that little turn, and it dropped $500 and something dollars. That is fucking crazy. That's 45 to 47 in that little space there. I'm gonna add to the TQ just to add to the fucking confusion. Well, this one may not work, but this is a stage 2 breakup. I haven't seen the 5-minute chart on this though. It's moving too fast for. See, today's when I needed another trader. I'm training someone to trade with me because it gets hard to whip through them fast. And to watch different. All right, maybe is this it, or do we get a chance to go again? Well, it seems like it's sure connected to the Qs, huh? TQQ, which is the QQQ, but it's leveraged because oh man, it's coming back. Come on. All right, if this 20 holds, we're back in full. Wow. What am I doing, man? Boom. Dude, they won't give me any more money. I sold some TQ so I could buy GameStop. I'm literally all in on this account. It's a $100,000 account, so margin. So I don't know why I'm sitting fucking around with that. Boom! There we go. Come on, baby. Damn, now, Anthony, you're getting in the car, bro? Are you out of your mind? All right. We're still in this GameStop. I got too many shares, man. And I did first in, first out. So these are ones that I bought way too soon. What is fucking wrong with this thing? All right. I'm sorry. Still watching the queues over here. As I said before, I execute my trades on the shit. You know what? I should just close out this TQ. I don't even know why I'm fucking with it right now. I'm going to do that so I can focus on just doing GameStops here since it's like making history. I don't know if it's history. It's history for me. It's gone straight up, and I've been day trading it all day. I got in the shower, and I'll take my pad and shit in there. And this motherfucker has not stopped, man. It went from $32 to $42 while I was in the shower. Incredible. We may have to bust out here, though. GameStop's at 46.11 over here. So it's come down. But so far, all day long, every 2 or 3 bars that sold off, money came right back in. And they've stopped it for trading a couple times. God damn it. Come on, babe. I know I was getting greedy there at the end, wasn't I? You got greedy, Gerald, at the end. I mean, I've done thousands anyway. I haven't looked. I didn't want to jinx it, man. I've just been trading the fuck out of this thing all day. Just day trading. It was moving too fast. There's no target, man. It's just been going up. So this thing started. I'm going to put it on a 15-minute. Let's take it back. This was today. When I started day trading it today down here around $32, and this has been the run today. Every red, you just buy shares. Like, it was crazy, man. After a while, I was like, fuck it, man. I was buying 90 RSIs because it just wasn't stopping. I mean, it would just go and go and go. What's up, YouTube? I know I kind of ignored you, man. I'm just like, I just wanted to record it, man. Game got me pumped up till Little Roy streams tomorrow. I know. I'm going to stream and watch him stream. That's what I think I'm going to do. What's up, Jason? We're seeing what happens after hours. Yeah, I'm going to hold some over. It's about to bust down, I think. Oh, someone help me keep an eye on the time. It is 2:38. I'm sorry, guys. I just wanted to see the... All right. So GameStop's starting to come down now. Not yet, though. Not yet. I got my finger on the sale trigger. And we've been doing this all day. It runs up into that little pennant thing. Same thing Bitcoin did, by the way. If you're on Substack with me, I don't know if all you guys can read. I know a lot of you went to public school in state colleges, but if you do know how to read, I'm out. Fuck. All right, so we're out. Would you dare short this thing? That'd be crazy, right? Yeah, I'm not going to fuck with that. So it busted out of that pennant there. I don't know why it's moving so slow over here, but I am going to try to get back in on the long side if I can. But here a second ago got into, and this is day trading, but I use the same trading strategy for swing trading. If you trade with me, you know that. And it helps to trade with other people because you can't cover the whole fucking market yourself. And I've been training someone to trade with me here in my office to help me so we could do more things, but they're not here today. And I wish they would have been, because this is probably my biggest trading day of the year, man. So GameStop's breaking down now, going down big. I started to short it, but I was like, I'm not even going to fuck with that. It has worked to the long side so well that I'm just going to try to, I'm going to take a smaller position. I'm going to be honest. Cause, yeah, I've been playing it long all day. I'm not going to get too fucking greedy. That's a good way to get your ass handed to you. So I played the trend, right? That's what we do in the money flow. The money flow is a trend following strategy. And let me, so if you're on YouTube and you're watching, damn it. Oh, that's sorry. That's GameStop still heading down, but we're out. I was about to start cursing, man. Get the children out of here. But I am in this TQQ, but I need to check the MACD on this higher time frame. Man, this was some crazy trading today. That was nothing I could do but that. It's usually not this fast in handing out money. I mean, I don't even know what I made today. I don't want to look until it's over. I learned that from Kenny Rogers, man. He said, never count your chips at the table, from the song. You remember that? I'm just pulling up, and I'll show you on YouTube. I like to use my old phones and then use them as trading machines. And you can screencast to television. So you have the Roku stick. You can, but what I do is I put it on a 5-minute, and I just put the MACD on there. So I blow it up, and then I have it cast to a Roku. So, and then I also have it here, like so if I'm traveling, right? And that's one of the things I watch, and I want to trade in the direction of that histogram. Kind of means the wind's at my back. Does that make sense? Get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, man? But oh man, I didn't have this on. Oh shit, here we go. And it's coming back, man. God damn, that was quick. Yeah, I'm back in. I'm back in. We're back in the saddle again. Now, I don't know about this one, man. I don't know. So I'm going to give it a second before I build it up. Okay. Bam. Come on. You're making it hard on me. Okay. What do we got? 5 minutes there. We got TQQ here. Got GameStop on the main screen, but I'm trading alone, man. How many shares of all right. I'm gonna add to the GameStop play if I have to, because I keep maxing out how much they'll motherfuckers. So between the two, that's like 180 grand, I believe. But they're not letting you margin this shit, I think is what's happening. Come on, man. Don't slow me down. Dude, why do I keep fucking with the TQ today? Because I keep losing. Damn, there we go. Fucking TQ. What in the fuck is going on with this thing? All right, here we go, man. Here we go. Here goes GameStop. We ran from 32 to 46. This is one of the most epic runs I have ever seen like this. I mean, you catch them, but I mean, I don't know. This one was different. It was like 40-something% run today. 40%. %. Most of you were too busy putting lotion on your friends, playing with your friends, fucking playing with yourself. What were you doing instead of making 45% return? It's been on the news. It's all over the fucking television. It's not a secret. That's called social sentiment, by the way. When you see a stock like that, right? Right? Is it too late, GP? It's 244, man. Wherever they want to take it. I'm up $250, so I'm going to sell a little just because I've had such a big day today, dude. I actually feel bad. You guys were at work and shit, working all hard. This thing is just fucking handing out free money all day. I put this in Discord, man. I put it on my channel and said this morning in a thing. I said I wasn't day trading the Qs. I've only day trading I was only day trading sorry, I got two that I was only day trading GameStop. Just because it's just moving so much, dude. Some shares too, but not as many as I have right now. So I'm going to scale out of these. I'm only going to take home like 50 shares, man, in case, if it pops huge, I would like to have some, but I don't want it coming the other way. You know what I mean? So if you were a webinar the other day, the one thing we can't control, it keeps going, man. Fuck it, dude. I'm going to buy more. On this little red pullback here, we're getting one right now. We'll hold an engulfing candle. Jesus fuck. Already? Come on, man. We're not doing this shit. Got 10 minutes. Let me make some money to the very end. Come on, man. I need to buy some Vans. I think it's overloading stock charts. I'm such a greedy bitch. I'm buying more. I'm buying all that E-Trade will let me buy right here. Come on, E-Trade. Let me have some money, man. And then if this thing drops, I'm just going to close it the fuck out and call it a day. How about that for a plan? Come on, dude. Right away, you start dropping? You motherfucker. God damn it.
Tutski. No, thank you.
TQ's coming back.
What can I bring for you on this glorious
I got
afternoon?
300 shares of
Here's the
TQ.
game plan. You're going to bring us 2 absolute martinis. You know how I like them, straight up. And then precisely 7 1/2 minutes after that, you're going to bring us 2 more. Then
God.
2 more after that, every 5 minutes until one of us passes.
Look at stock charts. Is it low?
Excellent strategy, sir.
I'm good with water for now, though. Thank you.
I might add shares.
First day on Wall Street. Give him time. Thank you.
Thank you.
I can't. They won't let me. I'm all in.
Listen, you're able to do drugs during the day and still function, still do your job. What the fuck else would you do this job? Cocaine and hookers, my friend. I gotta say, I'm incredibly excited to be a part of it.
Man.
Consistent winners take losing trades all the time, but their drawdowns are a reflection of what? Anybody got any ideas? Yeah, money management skills.
Position size is really the only way you can control risk. That and stops.
These are
But
two good answers, but not the answer.
if you
I'm
take
looking
smaller
for.
positions,
Their
you don't take as
drawdowns are
big a
simply
loss.
A reflection of the normal losses that any trading methodology will incur. There is such a thing as losses. You don't have to write this
About
down.
half of my trades are losses. I'm trimming the
We are going to
TQQ.
go into this in far more detail later on. So, I mean, fine, but it really isn't necessary. Okay, normal losses.
I sold half of it
Any trading methodology.
Last few minutes, and just be as
Then
greedy
you've got
as
people
fuck.
who learn something about how to
Slow too.
where it is possible,
Fuck.
based on that methodology, to experience consistent, but your equity curve might look more like.
Come on, man. Push one last time, man. Not that many, man.
Cycles, these are the bus cycles, would say that something to cause this. What you're going to find out today is that it is not the case. Even though it may seem like it, it is not the case. These are virtually always the result of trading errors, what I call trading errors.
God damn it.
Which we're going to go into in detail later on.
There goes the TQ. I'm going to sell some more right here.
Just for the general.
I'm not carrying any TQ over, though.
Any idea of my background? I'm gonna go a little bit further in it, and I'm just gonna jump ahead for a second. I ended up being a trading coach, and
come on, man.
Working with I was a trading coach for probably about 17 years. I don't really do it much anymore. I just pretty much focus on my own trading. But while I was, especially in the throughout the 80s and most of the 90s, I worked with a lot of floor traders, and we talk about boom and bust. There was one of the floor traders I worked with was
floor traders. You guys don't know anything about that. You just click a fucking button and it comes to you. Click a button, they bring you food. You click a button, you do this. You click a button, you collect thousands of dollars during the day, but maybe you were too busy. What were you so busy doing? Let's see. Hold on. This is where our homework comes from, man. We got to watch. We got to see what's up. We got to see what's going on around the world, man. We got to have that social sentiment, by the way. Right? We got a hangman bar there. I take my trades over here on the E-Trade platform, and then I trade. Oh, here we go. Come on, man. What were you guys doing? What were you doing today? This thing has run 35% today. It's crazy. I mean, I would get out, and then it would break out on a 90 RSI. How do you, oh, here we go. Come on, baby. How do you break out on a 90 RSI? I got to get back to work, man. Lunch break. Cool. What do you think about the new CEO of what, man? Joe, do you buying before earnings on the 11th? Who? What are we buying? No, I'm not even thinking about that right now, man. I do have people researching it, though. We got people helping me with research now, so that's been pretty cool. Here we go. Keep an eye on the clock, man. I can't carry over no 500 shares. That'll be sweet, baby. Jesus is here. This is probably my best trading day in a long time. In a long time. Where it was just easy. I don't even know what to say, man. It's just so easy.
Only the hard and strong may call themselves Spartans. Only the hard. Only the strong.
There you go, baby. I'm trimming it down just a little here. Got 5 minutes. This motherfucker could run in 5 minutes. I watched it go like $5. Here we go. 46.63.
For our lands, for our families,
Grab freed.
I'm just going to hit little 25 share lots
We march.
as we head higher. It's breaking out on mine. I'm on the level 2 here, but
Attack sauce.
I think there's so many people on it. It's slowing down. God damn.
This is a surprise. Silence.
God damn, dude.
We heard Sparta was on the warpath. We were eager to join forces. If it is blood you seek, welcome to join us. Only this handful of soldiers against Xerxes?
This is where we open today
Expect Sparta's commitment to at least match our own.
at $30, and it's run to $46.
You, there.
Fucking amazing.
I'm Sparta. And you, Arcadian. What is your profession? Sculptor, sir. You, blacksmith. Spartans! What is your profession?
Spooning in the garage, Gerald.
See, old friend.
Spooning in the garage, yeah. I had to buy video games. I couldn't buy GameStop stock. You bought this stock today. You could have bought a car, man. This thing has now gone up from 32 to 47 fucking dollars. So that's $17 a share. We would get excited when we had $1 move. Fuck, man, I might add here. Fuck it. What are we down to? A couple minutes here. Fuck it. I just bought another 1,000. All in again. And I'm going to sell all of this shit, but 50 shares right into the close. Unless we start to drop. It's GameStop, bro. You don't follow the fucking stock market? It's just giving away free money today. It's moving so fast. It's crazy, dude. Yeah, okay. We got to start trying to sell this bitch. Oh, man. Fuck. Come on, bro. Into the close. Yeah, that was my fault getting fucking stupid there. It had worked all day, though. Shit made a ton. I don't know what I'm complaining about. All right, I'm down to a few hundred shares here. I'm only going to carry at like 50 into the. Just waiting to see if it was going to run into the. Oh, wow, man. Wow. All right, YouTube or Instagram. You guys need to learn to come. You need to trade, man. What are you guys doing? All this hard ass labor and shit. You got to learn. Here we go. It's going up, man. We got 2 minutes. You got to learn to leverage yourself, man. You got to have this kind of shit going for you while you're at work. I'm not going to carry 100. I'm only going to carry 50, man. I'm a little bitch today. I made too much money, man. I can't do it. Man, I sure wouldn't mind a little pop, though. I got a little silly at the end. I really thought it was going to fly. I'm going to hold them over, man. I'm going to hold over. I'm going to hold over actually 100 shares, 200 shares. What did I have here? 200. I can sell them here in a little while if I have to. Hey, I appreciate you coming on. We normally trade the TQQ every day in our day room in our Discord for the Money Flow Trading Society. Yeah, I think it could be. I'm gonna watch it here on the after hours, man. Had a great day. I don't know how. I gotta go look and see. I didn't want to jinx it. Like Kenny Rogers says, don't count them at the table. So if this breaks support over here in the after hours, I'm gonna cut this loose. But I appreciate it. If you're looking for somewhere to trade, man, text me. You need friends to help you find these things, man. You'll forget about it. You'll be spooning with your friends and doing a bunch of dumb shit and getting your nails done, all this bullshit, and then you'll miss out on making $10,000 because you're over there doing something stupid. And that's what having people that trade can do for you. Oh, we're running in the after hours. Here we go, baby. Yeah, man. Look, we're running in the after hours. Boom. Maybe not. I don't know. I probably should shut the fuck up. You guys be good, man. Sorry, I had to get them on their YouTube. Man, I'll get off here. Man, it was such a good time. I wanted to record it. I was just going to record it for myself. Then I figured I'd share it. Yeah, Sugar Lump said made 5K. Dude, I was trading that bitch all day long. Moving in and out, 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 in and out. I got to get back to work on my lunch break. Curious how to get on the Discord. Jacob, need to have my book. And then send me a message and I can send you the details. When did you start trading meme stocks? I day trade, man. I've been trading a long time. There's things that I do that I tell you not to do. Oh, it's headed back down now. So yeah. I mean, why not trade them? I just made a bunch of money, man. So nothing wrong with that, right? Let me shut this down. Bam! What's up, man? Hey, I appreciate you guys. If you don't have my free ebook, you don't have to die broke. Grab it. And that's all I got, man. Be good. Hope you made some money today. We'll be back trading tomorrow. Hopefully, I've been training someone to trade with me so I can talk more and not have to worry so much about the trades. But I like to trade. That's what I'm here for. See you later.